guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. Y'all ask, so I giveth. I'm giving you more iPhone wallpaper videos. I thought maybe like once every couple months would be fine, but like the minute I posted my last one that I made earlier this summer, everyone was commenting wanting another one. Like, I'm getting the comments on other videos like asking like, can you do another iPhone wallpaper video? Like, as long as y'all aren't bored, that's the only thing I care about. As long as y'all aren't bored, like, I have fun making them. As long as you have fun watching them, like, I'll keep making these videos. Also, I do want to say that this video is sponsored by Influnex. Influnex is a platform where influencers and brands can meet up to collaborate, which is really cool for any of you YouTubers out there. It's an online platform to help businesses and brands find and manage and analyze YouTube influencers. So if this is something you're looking for, the link to them will be down in the description below. If you're in search of influencers because you're a brand, then you could browse popular influencer categories on the website with more than 200k YouTuber influencer databases. You also get the rich filter conditions to help advertisers to locate the influencer accurately, and suggestive search is supported on the website, so it does recommend related channels and videos intelligently. If you're interested in analyzing influencers, which is something brands do all the time because you need to know what audience the influencer has. So if you're a brand, the website does give you multi-dimensional analysis of influencers for an objective evaluation of that influencer. And it allows you to check recent video performance from the influencer and understand that influencer's engagement. And it gives you a more precise sponsored price evaluation based on their analytics and engagement. You can connect with influencers super easy. You just click to connect with them on the website. And there is a group messaging sending function, so if you want to reach out to a bunch. And you could also bookmark quality influencers to hopefully collaborate with them again in the future. If you're a brand, Influnex seems like a really great way to figure out collaborations and figure out what influencer is best for your brand. And if you're an influencer, Influnex seems like a really great website to be going on to find your new collabs. I hope me sharing this with you helps you out. I'm only trying to share some websites for you that can do a lot of good for you. If you're looking for a collab or influencers, this website can make it happen. So this is my phone right now, and this is the case I'm using right now. It's by Caseify. Just using this because it's summertime and it's cute. And this is my wallpaper right now, but we're about to make so many more. Let's go. Y'all know the drill. First things first, I go to Pinterest. Here's my Pinterest, and I type into the search iPhone wallpapers, and here is a perfect place to start scrolling and looking for the wallpaper you want to make cuter. I found this and I really like this. I think it's so calming, so pretty, and it's such a good base. Gonna download the image. You guys actually taught me how to download image. I had no idea. I used to just screenshot, so thank you so much for showing me. Ooh, I like these paints. This is really, really cute. Oh, I really love this. Okay. So we have like the cutest little pastel wallpapers. Oh, I have a new app that I use for a lot of Insta stories, which is called Nichi. I think that's how you say it. It always gives it to you on a border immediately. So I need to take this off. So it also automatically puts a filter on, so just remove the filter. And I'm just gonna extend it to fill up the whole page. Next, I'm gonna find a quote, and I use my Pinterest, which has good quotes on it because quotes always motivate me, so I love putting them right on the front of my wallpaper. I like this. Here's to a grace-filled week. Let me see what font I like. Okay, I think I'm gonna put it right here in the middle. Here's to a grace-filled week. The reason this app is so cool is that it has the cutest little stickers, so I'm definitely gonna put something. I'm just plopping things that I might like, but I'm not sure yet. Ooh, I like clouds, so we're gonna add a couple clouds. I like this a lot. You can make it small and then circle it. Don't really like the clouds. Might put the little angel up there. Here, might put the little book here. I kind of like this. I like this a lot. I think I'm gonna add these closer though, because the wallpaper is gonna shrink this. So let's save it and let's see how it looks. Let's set lock screen. This is so pastel and elegant and girly, and I actually really like this little newspaper cutout. I think it looks so freaking cute. Let's move on to the next wallpaper. So this one, I think I'm gonna go back to our PS Express that we use in every app. We're gonna go to text and we need to find a quote. So let's do this one. The secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. I like that. I actually kind of like this font, actually. I like the first font. That was really easy. This usually takes me a little. If you don't want a watermark, honestly, just screenshot it. Because this isn't as long as our usual wallpapers, first thing first, I'm gonna check to make sure that this is centered. Yeah, I want it a little bit smaller. This a little bit smaller. Now we're gonna go back to our Niche app because it has such fun, cute little designs. I'm just gonna plop things on here. Okay, let's add some flowers maybe. Oh, I like this. Okay, I think I like these flowers more, and I'm gonna add this little coffee. Maybe somewhere here? Actually, I don't know if I want the coffee. This is obviously always just playing with what your preference is. Oh, I like this. Cute. We'll add this in here, and I don't know about this love letter, but okay, well, let's save this and then we'll see how it fits. You know, that fits just enough. This one's definitely more pastel, but I still think that this is really, really freaking cute. Way more subtle, but I like this. I think this white thing really made it pop a lot more. Now all we have left is this one, so I think we're just gonna go all out with Niche again for this one. So this app also does give you pre-made things, and I think we actually might just go for one of the pre-made ones. I really like this one. So I want all of that to be on this background. Ooh, we did it. Oh my god, now it's at the bottom. Oh my god, that's so cute. Because this calendar that they have pre-made already says February, I'm gonna move this little angel here. This one was so easy. I'm so happy. You know, it just like hides it, and I love the veil and everything. It is so pretty. This is probably my first one without a quote. Look at this one. This one's so pretty. Oh my god. Queen. I can't take all the design credit for this one, obviously, because they put all three of these together. But like on top of this background, it is beautiful. It's so celestial and like elegant. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the wallpapers. Of course, they will always be on my highlight on Instagram. I have a wallpaper highlight, so that is where they'll all be. Again, if you need an influencer brand website, Influnex is down below, so make sure to check out that link. And alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye. Guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. Today I am super excited because it's a back to school giveaway. I know, thinking about school again.
Don't want to do it.
We're just gonna live in that moment where you just buy a bunch of cute notebooks and don't think about school yet. So let's just do that. There is this huge YouTuber, Kimber. This is her channel right here. She actually reached out to me and she has her own company and her own phone case business. You go girl. And she collaborated with Nucky, which is a phone gripping accessory. And they created a cool collab together and I'm super excited for them. This